Class 3 Maths Chapter 1 Revision. Write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. Here some numbers are given. We write the numbers in words. First one 26. First one is 26. Here we write this number in words. 26. 576. 5 hundreds. 7 tens. 6 ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then we write 500. 500. 76. 576. And the next one, ones, tens, hundreds. 770. 770. 770. 313. Zeros, tens, hundreds. Zeros, tens, hundreds. 313. 300. 300. 13. 313. Next, E. 506. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. Okay, 500s. Tens place lo ఏం లేదు. Ones place lo 6. Here in hundreds place 5 is there. Tens place 0. Ones place 6. Then the number in words is 500. 506. Next one. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 800s, 2 tens, 9 ones. 800. 800. 29. 829. 829. Okay. Next. Second question. Write the following numbers in figures. Write the following numbers in figures. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, వాటిని నెంబర్ నేమ్స్ ఇస్తే వాటిని నెంబర్స్లో రాయాలి. ఓకే, హియర్ some number names are given. We write the numbers. 649. Hundreds, that means hundreds place is there. Tens, ones, 3 places are there. Okay, 600. Hundreds, 600. 49. 40. 4 tens. 40 means 4 tens. And 9 in ones place. Then the number is 649. Then the number is 649. 111. 111. Hundreds place lo undi. Hundreds place 1. 100. 11. 11. That means 1 1. Then the number is 111. 111. Next one, 450. 450. 4 hundreds. Then we write at hundreds place 4. And then 50. 50 means 5 tens. Ones, there is no ones. Then we write ones place lo em ledhu kabatti 0 rastam. Okay, we write here 0. Then 50, it is 50. Okay, 450. 450. 450. The next one, 220. 202. 202. Hundreds place 2. In tens place there is no tens. Then we write here 0. And then ones 2. Ones place 2. 202. 202. What is the next one? 710. In hundreds place we write 7. 710. 10 means tens place lo 1. 110. Okay, and then ones 0. Then 710. 710. Okay. Going to the next one. 907. 907. Hundreds place, tens place, ones place. 900. 900s. Okay. 100 place lo 9 rasam. Next given tens are not given. In ones place 7. Okay. Then we write in tens place 0 and then in ones place 7. Okay. Ones place ne avantaru units place అని కూడా అంటారు. Units. Okay. 907. 907. Next, third Roman. Write each of the following in the expanded form. Write each of the following in the expanded form. First, place values ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here in hundreds place, 1 is there. Then we write 100. And then in tens place, 4. 4 tens. 4 tens, 40. We write here 40. And then in ones place, 7 is there. 7. Next one. 317. Hundreds. Tens, ones. In hundreds place, 3 is there. 3. 300s. And then tens place 1 is there. 1 tens are 1. 1 tens are 10. Okay. 1 0. 1 0 10. Okay. Here we write 10. And then ones place 7 is there. 7. Next one. 430. 430. In hundreds place 4 is there. 400s. In tens place 3 is there. 3 tens are 30. 30. Here we write 30. And then ones place 0 is there. We write 0 here. And the next one, hundreds, tens, ones. In hundreds place 3 is there. 300. 300s. And tens place 0 is there. Then we write here 0. And then at ones place 7 is there. We write here 7. These are the expanded forms of the given numbers.